You notice the day that JFJ chose or choose to do their demonstration or protest?
What, Tuesday?
Tuesday what? The 29th?
Yes.
What else will happen tomorrow?
What is happening? Parliament?
The Minister of National Security will be speaking in Parliament. So JFJ is going out there to do their budget presentation at the same time, 1 o'clock.
No, but I think this protest was announced quite a bit ago before we knew that the minister was going to open the sectoral debate, man.
Look here. You don't listen.
No, but that's a fact. I mean, they announced this quite some time ago.
Possible.
Yeah.
But I tell you this. I will tell you, I could say a lot. But some people, they leave them in the engine room so they know everything and know the date when to assign what is what.
Oh, I see.
My good friend Bruce Golding leave some people in the room who pull up and give him a own goal. I am in you this, that JFJ planned this because the minister is speaking tomorrow.